discount Amazon Fresh Filet Mignon. It was 30% off, then another 20% off, $8 for 5 ounces. Not a crazy amount of fat. We got a good little bit of fat over there. And like, look at how squishy it is. It's actually like really tender. So we're going to see what happens with this. And I think that's a perfect experiment for a cooking with Verlisify episode. All right, preparation is going to be pretty simple. Salt, pepper on both sides, but I wanted to get fancy. So I cut up a shallot. I'm going to cover... I've seen people do this with onion, like you just take a circle of onion, but I'm more of a shallot man myself. And then just a little bit of garlic. I guess it doesn't really matter like how much coverage, because there's just going to be a little bit in there. We're going to vacuum seal this in a very discount way, and then put it in the sous vide and see what happens. And then the plan is 2 hours at 130 degrees in the sous vide. Kinda lost its shape. That's a good thing to me, because that means it's so tender. It just is already dissolving. I'm not here for presentation. I'm here for the flavor and the experiment. And longtime fans might remember the G Fuel spinner. Use code Verlisify for 20% off your G Fuel order. It's anime, so we got some great anime themed flavors. Also, energy plus protein just dropped. Get the energy to do crazy experiments, also like focus for gaming and work and stuff. Again, use code Verlisify, 20% off. All right, for this part, I will admit I'm a coward. I don't have a cast iron skillet. I don't get it as hot as I can for like that crazy sear. Did dry it, that's a huge thing. Did let it rest for like 10 minutes, so now it's like, that's ready to go. Gonna finish off the shallot, put that off to the side, get the butter going, make sure it's nice and hot, and then like a minute on each side. You can already see it's falling apart too. This might actually work for like an $8 filet, and I've got these really cool tongs because they're also like spatulas. Also, one plan I have for upcoming content is that pretty much all of my scheduled videos I'm going to make members only first, so it might be like a few hours, might be a few days, but now you want to spend that $2, get the membership, you're in the Discord, and then like you get early content because hey, it's actually like an incentive or something, and maybe member exclusive videos, but I think making the scheduled first is kind of the play. So we're going to let that caramelize a bit more. Boom, boom, see how it goes. Obligatory Leica cam? Now, despite preconceptions as to what Verlisify cooking might even mean, I actually take a lot of pride in my cooking and my food. So if I go for a filet, it has to be plastic knife tender. Problem is, I only have 2 hands. So I'm going to give it a go, pick up the camera, see how it went. Okay, so you can saw through it with a plastic knife. That destroys the cut. I know, I just do silly things for my own personal satisfaction. The real knife, you actually get an absolutely incredible cut. And I messed up the taste test shot by not recording it. It was delicious, it was tender, it was smooth. Not like melt in your mouth super meat butter because it was only an $8 cut without a lot of fat, but it still turned out great. Tasting note, using the shallot inside the vacuum seal for the sous vide, it worked. I was wondering like why people put onions and stuff in, but man, it permeated through and made a very strong like raw shallot taste. Not bad, but you couldn't really taste the meat too much because there is a delicate flavor to the filet, so I probably won't do that. Maybe a touch of garlic kind of works for it, but then like the cooked shallot, that's really good. I was thinking maybe some crunchy garlic on top, and that would completely sell it. But yeah, turned out good. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you all have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.